Hello, my name is Tom Smith, and I'm President and CEO of TopLine Federal Credit Union. I'm honored to participate in the recently launched Credit Union Challenge called Credit Unions for You. Dana Garrett, CEO of North Memorial Federal Credit Union, nominated me and TopLine Federal Credit Union to participate in the challenge, to which I eagerly accept. The purpose behind this challenge is to thank those heroes on the front lines of the COVID-19 pandemic who put themselves at risk every day. There are so many great people like healthcare providers, first responders, fire and police, and everyone delivering goods and services to continue to work to keep us safe. We also want to support our local small business owners during this unprecedented and challenging time. Community give back is a big part of the fabric of what the 100 credit unions across our great state of Minnesota do every day. It is time once again to collectively come together and acknowledge the hard work and dedication of essential workers and small businesses. This is truly our time to honor our mission of people helping people by working together and supporting our local communities. TopLine has purchased specially designed cookies from locally owned small business Cakesmith Baking Company to spread some joy among healthcare workers at Maple Grove Hospital. This is a small token of our sincere gratitude for the significant impact the staff at Maple Grove Hospital make every day in our community. We hope to sweeten their day and with smiles on their faces as we all inspire others to spread some kindness too. It's during times like these when we realize the power of a moment and the importance of supporting one another. So to keep the kindness spreading, I am nominating Chuck Albrecht from Mid-Minnesota Federal Credit Union to carry the torch. Chuck, you're now on the clock. Be well, be safe, and take care of yourself and your loved ones. Peace, everyone.